Gently drag the tortilla onto the mold. Wow, you got a taco salad shell! Now bake your food about 30 minutes. Well done! Yummy! Let's dice the onion. Yummy! Let's pour some cooking oil into the pan. Now pour the diced onion into the pan. Good! Delicious! Stir fry them so good! Good! Nice!
I can't wait to try it!